Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start RFactor 2. First, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as a 2.8 GHz processor and 4 GB of RAM. Next, acquire RFactor 2 from Steam, then install it. After installation, it is crucial to verify the game files through Steam to ensure everything is correctly set up. This step helps prevent common launch problems and ensures a smooth initial experience. Once installed, launch RFactor 2 from your Steam library. The game will guide you through initial setup. Prioritize configuring your input devices, such as your steering wheel, pedals, and shifter, ensuring all axes and buttons are correctly mapped. Then, adjust your graphics settings. Aim for a stable 60 frames per second by balancing resolution, anti-aliasing, and shadow quality for an immersive experience. With your controls and graphics set, it is time to select your content. From the main menu, browse the extensive collection of cars and tracks. You can choose from various vehicle types, including open-wheelers and touring cars. Decide whether to enter a single-player practice, a full race weekend against artificial intelligence, or join a multiplayer server for online competition. Customize session details like weather and time of day for a unique challenge. Finally, hit the track. Take your first few laps cautiously to understand your chosen car's handling characteristics and the track layout. Concentrate on smooth steering, precise braking, and gentle throttle application. Pay attention to the in-game heads-up display for vital information like tire temperatures and fuel levels. Remember, practice is key to mastering RFactor 2's realistic physics and enjoying the full simulation experience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.